Diva Monga and I study in class 7th. I've been learning coding since the past year from TinkerCoders. Right now I'm on the Python intermediate level. Today I will be talking about the activity I liked most in the graphic design Python level which I did in AI Connect. So let's get started. I've always been interested in technology and I love coding and trying out new things. Some of the activities made by me are a rainbow, YouTube logo, spirograph, Olympics logo, etc. But the favorite activity I have made is the panda face. Making the activity was a very exciting experience as I learned how to make new shapes and also discovered new features on Python. Now I will be showing you the activity. This is the activity which I will be showing you today. This is one of my favorite activities which I made on the graphic designing Python on AI Connect with TinkerCoders. Let us first see the output and then we can discuss a bit about the code. This is one of my favorite activities as I love to make the very cute face of the panda, and I also learned so many new things such as making the shape of the face, and also I learned about many features such as the position, a dot of radius, how do you increase the speed, etc. This is the complete activity. Now this is the code I used to make this wonderful activity. I have set the position and applied the formula of a circle, selected some different colors, and I've used a loop here to make the mouth, eyes, and etc. I've used the mixing operator to fill the colors in the eye.